Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and I know I've done a lot of over-the-top cake transformation videos using box cake mix, but today it's just a super simple thing that I am doing. I'm going to be making a smash cake and a few large cupcakes. When I'm making smash cakes for family and friends, I generally opt for box cake mix because if I'm not selling this, it's no big deal. And also, I just feel like if its sole purpose is to get smashed and mushed up, most of it won't be eaten anyways. Most of you know that I am an Italian meringue buttercream fan, but today I'm just going to be using American buttercream because once again, I'm going for expediency, and plus it is a little bit more expensive to actually make Italian meringue buttercream, so I'm opting for the cheaper version. I am not lying when I say this took me 15 minutes to decorate from start to finish, even including the chilling process. Now, if you've never used American buttercream before, American buttercream crusts up unlike Italian meringue buttercream, and it does so fairly quickly. To save time while that was chilling in the fridge, I decided to ice my cupcakes. I'm just icing it with a little bit of icing first and then dipping it into these egg-shaped quins. Super cute, and it adds a really nice crunch to the cupcake. Don't worry, this actually isn't too many sprinkles when you bite into it. Now, when you're making American buttercream, it's up to you how thick you want it and how pipeable that you need it. So if it's too thick, then you can add a little bit of milk or water. I always opt for milk just for that flavor. And if it's too thin, then you can go ahead and add a little bit more icing sugar, or sometimes I add more butter as well. So I'm using a French tip fitted in a piping bag to pipe that little design there. And then I'm placing my eggs in there just like a little nest. And those eggs are delicious. If you've never had them before, they're basically chocolate eggs with a little thin candy coating on the outside. These cupcakes, of course, are going to go on that display cake that I made with the wagon. So I said that I was going to fill that up with some edible cake, and that's why I'm adding on all of these Easter-like details with little carrots as well. Now, this was going very quickly, but of course I had to go and drop a cupcake, but all good. I fixed it by eating it, and now I am icing the rest of my smash cake. And I'm just doing this really generously covering it. I find it's much better when you generously cover and then you do the swipe. To get this color of buttercream, I just added in a little bit of sky blue food coloring from AmeriColor, and then I also used just a little bit of Chef Master leaf green. So I swap back and forth between using American buttercream and Italian meringue buttercream, though as I said, Italian meringue buttercream is my first choice. However, I do notice that when it comes to crumb coating and actually smoothing out the buttercream, American buttercream is easier to work with. To get that darker teal color on top, I just added a little bit more food coloring and re-whipped. If you want to know how I made these egg-shaped macarons, you can go ahead and click that video in the right-hand corner. This used the French method, and they came together so quickly. No rest time either. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these gold sprinkles on. This was for my nephew's Easter-themed first birthday. I can't believe that he's already won. A huge happy birthday to him. And spoiler alert, a little disappointing, but that cake stayed intact the whole time. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, whenever I want my kids to destroy their cakes, they never seem to. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!